Yeah, really good. We got our first win this season, 2-1, so that was great. Some really awesome passing just throughout the match, which is really great to see. A lot of great connections, and then we had a lot of good chances as well. We were able to get 2 of them, and just really solid at the back as well. So just really happy with how all of us played today. Full credit to our team. If we were a bit more, I don't know, off it on another day as we played in the past, we probably would have lost that to us. So good on them. Good shift from there as well.
Alright, good luck.
Cheers. Thank you.
Cheers. So we got Mikkel and Mike from Red Barons. How did your game go today?
How did it go? We scored a goal. That's good. Needless to say, we're still rebuilding. You know, that's the Lawnmowers, and they've got a nicely mown turf, to be fair. But you know, we scored some goals, kept it tight at the back. What do you think?
Yeah, it's fine. Good team. Good effort. Yeah. Looking forward next week.
Mikkel was pretty much puffed. He played too many minutes today. Lights have gone out, a bit like the lights in our careers, to be fair. Yeah. But we'll bounce back next week. Grab our first win. Yeah, up the Barons.
Cheers.